Hey, Bo here. I have this little bag I want to turn into a birthday bag because it's the perfect size, but I need to cover up the name, the brand of the store that I got it in. So what I'm going to do is, since it's for a birthday, I am going to stamp some little tags to cover this. So this is extra paper that I was fiddling with the jelly plate, and I will turn it face down. And I'm going to need two because Sephora is on both sides. So let's just punch two. We're going to glue these on so Sephora and this side will never show. So I'm done with that hole punch. And this one I know fits inside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch them first because the exact placement of where I want to put the happy birthday stamp, I'm not sure. So I'll center it by eye. Okay, so here we're done with all our paper. So let's get these stamped. And the nice thing is if I make a mistake, I got plenty of white paper. There we go. Let's let her get our glue. I love bags and I hate wasting them, and I like that style. And if you want to, you could use different colors depending on the bag. If you had even a little brown bag, you could pop it up with color. I'm sticking with the black and white theme. What I'm going to do is let the tissue paper be the color. There we go. So let's get it on the bag. Just put it right over. So I think what I'm going to do, the other side will be the same, as I'll center it with this stripe. And no doubt who I give this to, they'll be able to use it for someone else too. I'll just pass it on and not waste. So cute. Flip her over. Do the same thing. There we go. I want it on pretty good because I really don't want it popping off. It's nice to reuse bags, but I don't need to advertise that I did. And there we go. You got yourself a recycled bag that is very cute. Feel free to subscribe and pop a comment below. Show me what you've done.